In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to make a Schedule 40 DWV glue joint on PVC, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So it all starts off with the fittings and the cut. So we've got a good square cut here. So if you ever look at the inside of a PVC fitting, you notice that it's slightly beveled. So after we get that square cut, what I like to do is just take the edge off of the PVC cut. And I say that because I want as much glue surface to make up on the inside of the joint as at all possible. So what I do is literally just get that beveled edge all the way around. I also like to just hit the inside of it to make sure that there's not a sharp edge right there. And then just kind of clean it up. What I'm going to go to next is putting my primer on. And I was always taught, put it on your fitting first, then on your pipe. And I guess I was taught that from being out in the field where the wind's blowing. So inside the fitting first, then on the outside of the pipe. And once my primer's on and set, then I go to my cement. And I do it the same way. Inside of the fitting, outside of the pipe, and I always make sure to get the end of the pipe really good. Now, I've got my letters turned up on the pipe, and I know that I want at least a quarter of a turn. So I'm going to get my level on it and get it right where I want it. And I'm going to hold it here and make sure that it does not move. Because if I don't hold it and it hydraulics out and I have a leak, then I'm really going to have a problem. I'm one of these people that when I put in pipe, I like my letters all turned the same direction, facing the same direction, and straight and in line. And that's why I always take the time to do it right. I do a lot with PVC and CPVC. I don't deal a lot with ABS. If you do it this way, leave me a comment and let me know. But if there's something that you do a little bit different, also leave me a comment and let me know. I like for everybody to learn all kinds of different ways to do things. This is one that's really pretty straightforward and simple. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber, and I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.